Hey guys, Game Sobs here. This is just a short video today. I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing and an installation of this TP-Link PCI Express adapter, and it is the WDN4800 wireless adapter. The reason I got this is because the motherboard that I have bought is not integrated with built-on Wi-Fi, so this cost me around £27 off Amazon. I'll put the link for it in the description. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Sorry, we haven't been uploading that many videos either, but we have. That is mainly because I'm in college at the moment and it's got a lot of work to do, so I haven't had that much time, to be honest. But yesterday we got a ton of views in one day. I think we got like 29 views or something like that. Just get this out of the box. Also, just place that aside for a second. Space on the front of the box just tells you the three main things that this comes with, which is 450 megabit speed, dual band connections, and 3 antennas for strong strength signals. On the back you've just got, I'll just show you. On the back you've just got all the things in different languages, features and benefits of this card, and just how to install it, and what the dual band for 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz does. It's an easy installation. It's just one click. Just put the disc in, connect it with one click basically, put the disc in, load it up, you're done really. And also on that side it has package contents if you just go there. And also on this side it has the specifications of this card. So put that aside and get underway. We'll be uploading we haven't been uploading any games either, episodes of the Dark Sides 2, because I've been really busy on my computer, pretty much almost done it now. So after this video, that once I've got all my last few parts, which is just hard drive, case fans and the optical drive, once they've turned up, I'll show you the review of my case all together, and I'll put all the specs in the description for the video for that in another video, but not this video. But this just comes with this looks like just a notice of the product usage. Got a quick installation guide. Won't need that because I'll show you how to install it. Got really small disc. Looks like one of those GameCube discs from 2002. Now let's go on the way of the card, do it this way. Just got the bracket for the back of the case, so that'll be just simple screwing. And then you just got the simple card in a anti-static bag. So let's just move this out of the way. Just get this out of the bag to start off with. Once you've taken this out of the bag, touch it by these metal bits, and definitely do not touch those gold pins there, or well, I wouldn't say the pins, they're like little strips. She's got 3 screws there for the 3 antennae, and then just this simple backup plate thing. Doubt we'll be needing that, because as I install this into the case now, I will be showing you how simple it is. So let's just come over here. I'm just gonna this is a mic case, really big, an Aero Cool X Predator. I have already got most of my parts installed, so like I said, I'm not going to put these in the description for the moment. I'll put that in for my next video. But if you can probably tell that's a GTX 670. But with this, simple click and pull out, and then just install this card. So that will be going in. No. Yep, this will be going in this way. Pulled out the wrong bracket at the back. So all you gotta do is, if you just zoom in here, just plug. It's a bit trickier than I thought, to be honest. There, that's it. All we do now is just click that in and that'll be done. That's all you need to do, and now that we've got that, I'll just put these bits aside and we'll get the antennae out. Let's make sure to put this other part in that I took out, which was the wrong part. Now, if I just lift the camera up a sec, Tom. As I just take it out, switch it around so you can see what I'm going to be doing. Now, as you can see, just these three bits on the back. If I just, yeah, you just go there, not take these out. It's just simple screwing, really. Doesn't take any effort, and for its price and the quality of this card, it is a really good card in my opinion. And plus 450 megabits per second is quite a lot, to be honest. Okay, so that's it. And the final one. Just trying to think what sort of formation would be best for this. So we could just turn that around. Just put it up like that. And then for this one we'll go maybe like that, and then this one down. Actually no. What we'll do is put that on like that. This one like that. That seems alright to me. Just check how they've done it on the box actually. So this will just be a simple show. So they've done it with this one actually going like that, but that doesn't seem to be staying there, so we'll have that one like that, and then we'll just have those like that, and that's it really. So that's it from me now, guys. We'll hopefully bring the video tomorrow if my parts are turned up, or I will be uploading the gameplay. So thanks for all the views, especially yesterday, because it's helped a lot. We're on over 190 now, so that is great. Got 7 subscribers. It's not a lot, but it's a decent amount to start off with. And that's basically it from now, guys. So make sure to comment, like, subscribe, because we really appreciate it. definitely make sure to subscribe. So that's all from me now, guys, so see you next time.